Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So I'm here. I'm teaching. I've already teach you the chapter looking at sky about the colors that which we seen in the sky. So in this video, I told that I will give you the word so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary. So here is the word, and that all the word meaning. So you should write down it in your course copy. Now your first word is light. Write down the spelling. L as in lion, I as in ice cream, G as in gun, H as in hen, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like L-I-G-H-T, light. Your next word is raise. Write down the spelling. R as in ran, A as in apple, Y as in yellow, and S as in sun. So your word comes like R-A-Y-S, raise. Next word is shine. Write down the spelling. S as in sky, H as in hen, I as in indigo, N as in nose, and E as in ear. So your word comes like S-H-I-N-E, shine. Next word is dust. Write down the spelling. D as in dog, U as in umbrella, S as in sun, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like D-U-S-T, dust. Next word is teeny. Write down the spelling. T as in tiger, I as in ice cream, N as in nose, Y as in you. So your word comes like T-I-N-Y, teeny. Next word is droplets. Write down the spelling. D as in dog, R as in rabbit, O as in orange, P as in potato, L as in lion, E as in ears, T as in tiger, S as in sun. So your word comes like D-R-O-P-L-E-T-S, droplets. Next word is sets. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, E as in ear, T as in tiger, and S as in sun. So your word comes like S-E-T-S, sets. Next word is clear. Write down the spelling. C as in car, L as in lion, E as in ear, A as in apple, and R as in rose. So your word comes like C-L-E-A-R, clear. Next word is rainbow. R as in ran, A as in apple, I as in ice cream, N as in nose, B as in bat, O as in orange, and W as in white. So your word comes like R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Next word is bottom. Write down the spelling. B as in bat, O as in orange, T as in tiger, again T as in tomato, O as in orange, and M as in mango. So your word comes like B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Next word is top. Write down this spelling. T as in tiger, O as in orange, and P as in purple. Your word comes like T-O-P, top. Next word is touch. Write down the spelling. T as in toe, O as in ox, U as in umbrella, C as in car, and H as in horse. So your word comes like T-O-U-C-H, touch. Your last word is light. Write down the spelling. L as in lion, I as in ice cream, G as in girl, H as in horse, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like L-I-G-H-T, light. So only that much word is there. Again I am repeating all the word. You just listen the word. Light, rays, shine, dust, teeny, droplets, clear, rainbow, bottom, top, touch, light, and one more word is there, that is spray. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, P as in potato, R as in rose, A as in apple, and Y as in U. So your word comes like S-P-R-A-Y, spray. Yeah, only that much word is there. You have to find out their meaning from the dictionary, and you just write all these word meaning in your course copy, like chapter names, and word meaning. It should be in good handwriting. Yeah, so I hope you guys understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day, and please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your families. Do not go outside. If it is emergency, then you can go outside your home, but if no emergency, you just stay at home and enjoy yourself inside. Thank you and have a nice day.